Okay guys, so real quick, today I'm going to show you exactly how I make my favorite high protein chocolate cakes. Now these cakes have that perfect cake texture on the outside, that perfect gooey melted chocolate interior. You guys are absolutely going to love these cakes. Once you make them, you're going to want to make these cakes every single week. Now, sitting at only 270 calories each, 18 grams of protein, these cakes will fit perfect in anyone's diet, either if you're cutting or if you're lean bulking. So let's get straight to the recipe. Okay, so here's everything that we're going to be needing for this recipe. Some baking powder, some agave syrup, some liquid egg whites, some instant coffee. We're going to be needing 4 scoops of the kino collagen, some cocoa powder. Hershey's cocoa powder works better. If you want to make this gluten-free, then we're going to be using some gluten-free cookies. You're going to want to put these through the blender and blend them into powder. Now, I like to use these Oreo baked crumbs. They're already grounded for you. Makes things much easier and much quicker. Okay, so let's get straight to the recipe.
Okay, so in a medium-sized bowl, we're going to be adding in 4 scoops of kino collagen, mocha collagen if you have it, 2 1/4 teaspoons of baking powder, 10 grams of Hershey's unsweetened cocoa powder, 150 grams of crushed cookies, or in this case I'm using Oreo crumbs, and 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. Now for the wet ingredients, we're going to be adding in 200 grams of liquid egg whites and 1 tablespoon of agave syrup. Okay, here I'm using silicone molds. You're going to want to spray each mold with some nonstick spray and try to evenly distribute the batter into each mold. If you don't have the molds, you could always use a 6x6 cake pan. You just want to make sure that you grease each edge and the surface. Here I'm adding 15 grams of chocolate chips in each mold. Once this is done, you're going to want to put this in the oven at 350 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. You're going to take a toothpick and you're going to poke the center of the cake, and you want to make sure that the toothpick comes out clean.
Okay guys, so that's going to do it for the video. If you liked the recipe, tag a friend that you want to make it with, and then tag me everywhere so the whole world can see it. So also don't forget to go pick up your bottle of the kino collagen today. It's absolutely amazing. I absolutely love it. I use it in everything. And also, if you like the recipe and you want to see more of these types of recipes, don't forget to share the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos coming. And go pick up your copy of the Movie Star Chef Recipe Cookbook today. The link's going to be down in the description, along with the link for the kino collagen. Alright guys, so have a great day. Try this recipe. You're going to absolutely love it. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.